Greetings punters, Ben here, and we are about to run Christine's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles number 5 punt. It is game 821. We are live, and it is, it is 9:57 a.m. World clock says 9:57 a.m. Alright, let's go and see how many spots. 44 spots with Tim at the end. Rishi at number 1. 44. And the randomizer. Rishi at number 1. And Tim at 44. Alrighty, 3 dice roll. Oh, there's a nice easy one. 1 and 2 is 3 and 1 is 4. Alright, just the 4. Here we go. Number 1. It's number 1. Alright, number 2, which means we've got just 2 more left to go. And penultimate is 3 times of 4, so the next one is for the win. Good luck, everyone. There we go, 4 times. Let's go and see who our winner is. Oh, such a short list, I wasn't ready for that. There we go, Rishi for the win. Congratulations, mate. Get in contact with Christine to claim your book. And we... Oh, God, you guys and your bloody gifts. Far out. We are done. Thanks for playing, team. Catch you next time.